A very good morning, students. So what is the chapter we were learning? Yes, we were learning trigonometry. So what and all we learned in trigonometry so far? We learned about three basic ratios. Yes? So what are the three basic ratios? Sine, cos and tan. Then what did we learn? We learned about reciprocal ratios. So what are the three reciprocal ratios? Cosecant. Cosecant is equal to 1 by cos. Then we learned about secant. What is secant? Secant is equal to 1 by cos theta. Then what is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So after reciprocal ratios, what did we learn? We learned about trigonometric ratios for some special angles. So what were the special angles? 0 degree. Yes, 0 degree. 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 and 90 degree. We learned about 5 degrees for cos, sine, tan, cosecant and secant. Then cot. Did we learn? Yes, did we learn about all these 6 ratios? Yes. Now we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Now, what are complementary angles? Consider this angle. I name it as A, B, C. Consider this angle A, B, C. Now, I draw another angle D, E, F. Angle D, E, F. When I add these both angles, angle A, B, C plus angle D, E, F. When I add these angles, if their sum is 90 degree, then we call these angles as complementary angles. நான் என்ன சொன்னேனா ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் எடுத்து அதோட டிகிரி ஆட் பண்ணேனா if I get 90 degree, we call these two angles as complementary angles. Suppose ABC வந்து ஒரு 45 degree ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. An angle DEF is 45 degree. Add பண்ண எவ்வளவு 45 degree plus 45 degree is 90 degree. This means angle ABC and angle DEF are complementary angles. Yes, sum of the two angles should be 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, we call them as complementary angles. Suppose if both these angles and add பண்ணும்போது 180 கிடைச்சிச்சுனா அந்த angle பேர் என்னது? Sum of two angles is 180. Then what do we call them as? Yes, we call them as supplementary angles. But நம்ம இப்போ இங்க வந்து supplementary படிக்க போறது இல்ல. We are going to only learn about complementary angles. சரியா? First let me draw right angle triangle. Yes, this is a right angle triangle. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன்? நேம் பண்றேன். I am naming this as A, B, C. B ல வந்து 90 degree இருக்கு. Let angle B be 90 degree. சரி. இப்போ A வும் C யும் எப்படி நமக்கு complementary தெரியும்? Till now we don't know. Let's see. Well, let's check whether A and C are complementary. So now consider a right angle triangle ABC. Now, what is angle sum property of a triangle? When you add all the three angles, it should be equal to 180 degree. Correct? So I am adding all the three angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Moon angle irukka, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree. இப்போ angle B ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? Angle B is nothing but 90 degree. So I am substituting 90 degree here. Plus angle C is equal to 180. 90 வந்து இந்த சைடு போனா என்ன ஆகும்? -90. கரெக்ட்டா? plus a plus c is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. What is 180 minus 90? It is 90 degree. So என்ன conclude பண்ணலாம் இதுல? Sum of two angles is 90 degree. அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம்? A and C are complementary. Are complementary angles. Yes, புரிஞ்சுதா? A and C are complementary angles. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? We are going to take the sin, cos, tan எல்லா r ratios க்கும் இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள்க்கும் எடுக்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? Let me mark this as இத நான் θ ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Let this be θ. Let this be θ. அப்ப இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? 90 minus θ. ஓகேவா? இது வந்து 90 minus θ. ஏன்? Angle A plus angle C should be equal to 90. இப்ப angle C வந்து θ னா what will be angle A? Angle A is equal to 90 minus θ. Plus θ இந்த side போச்சுனா minus θ. So therefore angle A will be equal to 90 minus θ. எழுதிட்டோமா? Now what we are going to do is we are going to find the 6 ratios for angle A and angle C. க்கு நம்ம find பண்ண போறோம். Okay. Now tell me what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta எது? இது. இதுக்கு opposite என்ன? AB. Hypotenuse என்ன? AC. ஓகேவா? வச்சுக்கலாம். Next, cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Correct? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent என்னது? BC by AC. What is tan theta? Tan theta என்னது? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite என்னது? AB. Adjacent என்னது? BC. Cosecant, secant theta, cot theta. AC by AB. Now what is secant theta? So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin. So sin வந்து reciprocal பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? We will get cosecant theta. So AB ஓட reciprocal என்ன? AC மேல போய்டும், AB கீழ வந்துரும். Which is equal to AC by AB. Okay வா? Next. What is secant theta? Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta என்ன ஆகும்? AC மேல போய்டும், BC வந்து கீழ வந்துரும். So AC by BC. What is cos theta? 1 by tan theta. So BC மேல போய்டும், AB கீழ வந்துரும். So is equal to BC by AB. Okay வா? Now நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? theta we took sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. We just want the values. So நான் வந்து இந்த opposite எல்லாம் அழிச்சிட்டு I'll write all the 6 together. Okay வா? All the 6 together. Alright, I have written everything together. Now what we should do is find all the 6 trigonometric ratios for 90 minus theta. And the angle A, we have to find sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. All the 6 values. I put here sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Yes. Okay. Sin 90 minus theta enna? Sin ko opposite degree, opposite side enna? BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. What is cos? Cos on the adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. What is tan? Tan another opposite by adjacent, correct? Opposite by adjacent. Appa BC by AB. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sine. Sine on the reciprocal edukanum. So AC by BC. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. So AC by AB. What is cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So tan theta la AB by BC. Now ரெண்டு values-யும் compare பண்ணி பாருங்க. Compare both the values. What do you find? What do you find? You find sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. AB by AC இருக்கா? AB by AC இருக்கா? இந்த சைடு என்ன இருக்கு? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Let me write here sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, va? This is the first formula that you are studying. Now next, see what else is common. What about this? Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Sin 90 minus theta is BC by AC. BC by AC common ஆயிருக்கா? So what can you say? Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. ரெண்டுமே மாத்தி மாத்தி போட்டுக்கலாம். சரியா? Now what else? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. வேற எதுக்காவது AB by BC இருக்கா? இதுக்கு AB by BC இருக்கா? இல்ல. இதுக்கு AB by BC இருக்கா? இல்ல. இது AC by AB. AB by BC இருக்கு. So what is the value? Cot 90 minus theta எவ்வளோ? AB by BC. Then what you can say? Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. அதே மாதிரி tell about cot theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. இதெல்லாம் you can compare and tell. So நான் compare பண்ணி one consolidated table சொல்றேன். You can copy that down. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Then ratio is there, that is cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta. Secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Chaliya, you should learn all the 6 identities madri. Okay, you have to learn all the 6 so that you can do the sums. Sums நம்ம வந்து next classல பார்க்கலாம். Thank you students.